I'm very happy you are joining me. Let's work on the word very. Very means extremely. Let's dive in.
Listen and learn.
Again, very means extremely. Make sure not to touch that pot. I just turned off the stove, and the pot is still very hot. The pot and stove are both extremely hot, so the mom says very hot to make sure her child does not go touching the pot or the stove. Remember, very means extremely. I'm not very angry with you. I'm just disappointed because you burned the stew. Oh no, this man burned the stew. The lady is saying she is not extremely angry with him. She's just disappointed. Those are two different things. See, this is very angry and this is disappointed. I think you're very ready to say your own sentence with the word very in it. If you're not ready, that's okay. Just say one of our sentences.
Your turn. Wordplay.
Very. V is our first sound, and the rest of the word is airy. V is the letter V, and the rest of the word is airy, and that is formed by E, R, Y. Very. Again, V is the letter V, and the rest of the word is airy, and that is formed by E, R, Y. Very. It's your turn to spell very on your own. Go, go, go! Did you spell very with V, E, R, Y? If you did, you should feel very proud of yourself. If you didn't, don't worry. Keep practicing and you will improve very much.
Wrap up.
Let's remember what we've learned. Very is spelled V-E-R-Y. Very means extremely. Let's remember how to use very in sentences. Make sure not to touch that pot. I just turned off the stove, and the pot is still very hot. I'm not very angry with you. I'm just disappointed because you burned the stew. This brings us to the end of our lesson on the word very. You're watching LUMI Learning. Learn words, friends!